Let's take a look at another example on evaluating equations of tangents and normals. Now we have the question: determine the equations of the tangent and normal for the curve y is equals to x raised to power 3 over 5 at point -1, -1 over 5. Let's recall the formulas for the equation of tangent and the equation of normal. Remember that both of them are equations of line. Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. However, the normal is perpendicular, and that means the product of their gradient is -1. So we have -1 over m into x minus x1. So therefore, in this question, that we have -1 and we have -1 over 5, we have our x1 to be -1 and we have our y1 to be -1 over 5. So given that our y is x cubed over 5, the first thing to do is to evaluate our gradient, and that is the y dx. Now the y dx of this will give us 3 over 5 x raised to power 2. Now at the given point, that's -1, -1 over 5, we have to evaluate the gradient at x is equals to -1. So that is 3 over 5 into -1 squared. And this will give us 3 over 5. Therefore, our gradient m is equal to 3 over 5. So we can start with the equation of tangent. That says y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. And we recall that our x1 is -1 and our y1 is -1 over 5. That's y minus y1 -1 over 5 is equals to m 3 over 5 into x minus x1, which is -1. Now simplifying further, we have this to be y plus 1 over 5 is equals to 3 over 5 into x plus 1. Multiplying all through by 5, this turns to 5y plus 1 is equals to 3 into x plus 1. So 5y plus 1 is equals to 3x plus 3. Therefore, the equation of the line will be given as 5y minus 3x is equal to 2. So this is the equation of the tangent. Now let's move into the equation of the normal. We know that normal is given by y minus y1 is equals to -1 over m into x minus x1. And y1 is equals to -1 over 5. M is equals to 3 over 5. X1 is equal to -1. You can pause the video right away and try to evaluate the equation of the normal. Okay. Now let's substitute y minus y1, that's -1 over 5, is equals to -1 over m, 3 over 5, into x minus x1, that is -1. Therefore, simplifying further, we have this to be y plus 1 over 5, and this becomes -5 over 3 into x plus 1. So let's open up. So this becomes y plus 1 over 5 is equals to -5 over 3x minus 5 over 3. And now we can multiply all through by 15. Multiplying all through by 15, we have 15y plus 3 to be equal to minus 25x minus 25. So we multiply all through by 15. So simplifying further, this gives us 15y plus 25x is equal to minus 28. Now this is the equation of the normal. Now we can have various forms of questions, but all we just have to do is to follow the principles. And in our next video, we'll be talking on parametric equations and its way of differentiating it.